welcome to Kerry's Kitchen and happy Easter. So chances are, if you were here with me today, I would be cooking eggs for breakfast. So let's start with how I go about it. I've got water boiling in my pot. In my pot, I'm going to add vinegar. Then I get my egg. And I'm going to crack my egg into a glass bowl, one at a time. That's the way I do it, one at a time, and then I'll put it in. I've got my water boiling in the pot. I put some vinegar in it. I've also put my egg in a glass. I don't like cracking the egg into the water. So I gently stir my water and I start getting it going into a circle. Then I'll slowly enter my egg. See how it's moving around? There it goes, it's on its way. Crack my next egg. Okay, get this stirring. And then move my next egg in. Okay. Now, how long you leave them there is up to how hard you want the yolk. Me personally, I like a really soft, runny egg. Now this is on a poached egg because I just love how it comes out, the shape of it. Now, while my eggs are poaching, let's prepare something to just go on the side of the plate. I've got some cut up red onions. I've got some cut up tomatoes. I'm going to put them in together. A piccatigalo. Right? Put them in. A little bit of coriander. Beautiful coriander. Lovely smell. Olive oil. Love olive oil. Olive oil on there. A little bit of glazed balsamic. Had to think about that for a minute. Salt and pepper. Pepper and a little bit of lemon. Mix all that. There, I've got my side dressing. So it's pretty simple. Once you've poached an egg, look, some beautiful spinach, maybe even a bit of cucumber on the side. Look at that. Very simple, easy to do. I've got a beautiful piece of Turkish bread. I love putting a little bit of olive oil on that as well instead of butter. Get my egg. There's my egg. And to finish it off, if I like, a little bit of chili jam on the side. And there you have it. One beautiful poached egg. And just to test it, let's see how it went. Look at that. A beautiful poached egg. Simple. Have a great Easter.